Banished to a cave, a persecuted man has a vision. He sees the end of time, the return of a gentle Christ turned merciless warrior. Plague, disease, holocausts, oceans of blood, wicked beasts, and a brutal judgment day. Believers go to heaven. Unbelievers are sent to a bottomless pit of fire. This is John's Revelation, the final book of the New Testament, and millions believe his apocalypse is near, that we are the last generation before the end.
I think that we are living in the twilight of human history.
Those who have rejected God and lived selfish lives, they're cast in the lake of fire.
It's going to be horrendous.
Was John foreseeing the future of the human race, plotting a revolution against an evil empire? Or was he a man on the edge of insanity?
The book of Revelation has been the brutal book of the Bible. It basically scared the hell out of us.
Why does this ancient book still haunt us? Can we unlock the secrets of Revelation?